How long you had that on around your neck?
4 hours, maybe 5. We have a 1-year-old daughter together.
Where's she at?
My aunt has custody of her.
Okay.
And that's why he's always fighting with me. Because they wouldn't let her go home to this house. He said, you're not going nowhere this time. He said, you're going to do it nicely or we're going to do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
Just hold really still real fast. You want to go like 30 feet?
Might be easier to cut the link on the chain. What kind of car does he drive?
He don't have a car. He was with his friends, but I don't know. They picked him up in the back to take stuff back to Lowe's.
What's his name?
Moses.
Moses?
Last name May. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest and a Scorpio right here on his arm. He's got hair like down to his shoulders.
How long y'all been together?
We've been together for 3-4 years.
Y'all have kids together?
We have 1 daughter.
You said you don't need EMS?
No, I don't need
Yeah. No.
Before we begin, welcome to the channel, where real police encounters, body cam moments, and unexpected twists unfold right before your eyes. Make sure you watch closely because things can change fast. And before we get into today's video, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. If you enjoy real-life police encounters and body cam footage, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get right into it.
This boy's there too. He's boarded up everything. Everything's boarded up.
121 Charlie cars, 1924.
Hold the back and you want to hold the back or the front?
I'll hold the back.
Yeah, fire's on the way.
The ladder was on the side.
There should be a ladder on the side. There you go. You want to get up there? Or we'll climb through the window. They nailed everything shut. Well, we got this though. Try to keep the door in, but everything is boarded up. You want to go first? Like this. Is anybody else in there? He did what? Is he Hispanic? Hey, there's a Hispanic male down the street with his friend. That might be who it is.
He's got long hair.
Long hair on the top, on the sides.
Yeah, he's got long hair.
Where's the key?
I know he's got it on his feet. And he's got it on his
But there's no one else in here, right?
No, you can check. There's no.
Is it just you in here? No female?
I got close enough to get the window. To kick the window. I didn't even cut my leg. I got close enough to kick the window.
Alright, we got fire coming, so give us a second, okay?
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Anytime you do the right thing.
You can check everything. There's nobody else.
So is he a clean cut Hispanic male?
He is, yeah. He's got
down the
long hair.
street.
He's got long hair. He's kind of big.
Huh? Yeah, let's clear real quick. Make sure.
No, we got his kittens down there. We got 5 kittens. So watch out for them.
Here we go.
He's done it before.
Hold it on her neck so it don't break it. There we go.
He's a stocky guy. He's got long hair.
Does he have any firearms?
No, I don't think so. There's
North 33rd and Portland Plaza.
a slot machine called like the Dairy Mart.
What's this for?
Basically, gets me to dance niggas for me. People that want to change the world.
I think fire is good.
Yeah, T-Ron, 537 South 3rd Street.
There we go.
203.
Thank you so much.
You want to try to make exit through the front?
He's got the side door locked. You have to get in and get out.
Can you get out?
Yeah, you don't have a key to get out. You have to have a key to get in and out.
213, Victor. We got her in chain. We're going to try to come out to the front
The
door.
front door is he's got it. Well, you can't open it. It tells you he's got it locked.
Oh, he screwed it in.
He's got a screwdriver in this other room. It's locked. In the kitchen to the left.
Nobody's in the basement, right?
No, nobody's here.
3 Baker, are you on the other side of the front door?
10-4.
This room is locked. He won't never let me in there. You have to have a key to get in.
Hey, I got fire out here.
I don't know.
10-4. It looks like they got the front door and all the doors down there nailed shut.
Oh,
You're fine. We're here now, okay? We're gonna get you out of here.
sorry.
Don't say sorry for nothing.
You need fire to force this door.
10-4. We're clear of it. We can go ahead and force it.
You bust that door.
All right, let's go in here real quick, okay? That's fire. They're forcing the door open for us.
He called me on the phone. He's like, I can see this lady. She's chained up. I was like, I'll be right there.
Watch that, man. Okay. Come on now.
Hey, did y'all clear the house?
Yeah, we cleared it. The only thing locked still is the basement door right here. She said nobody else is in here.
And the last door right there, he keeps locking.
Hey, Randy, grab the bolt cutters, please.
Who did this? Are you hurt? You need EMS or anything?
No, I just went out of here.
Okay. You want to sit out here on the porch? Okay.
We do like a little blockade so everybody's not getting videos of her. Just block what your body is. I don't want everybody to see her.
How long you had that on around your neck?
4 hours, maybe 5. We have a one-year-old daughter together.
Where's she at?
My aunt has custody of her.
Okay.
And that's why he's always fighting with me. Because they wouldn't let her go home to this house. He said, you're not going nowhere this time. He said, you're going to do it nicely or we're going to do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
Just hold really still real fast. You want to go like 30 feet?
Might be easier to cut the link on the chain. What kind of car does he drive?
He don't have a car. He was with his friends, but I don't know. They picked him up in the back and take stuff back to Lowe's.
What's his name?
Moses.
Moses?
Last name May. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest and a Scorpio right here on his arm. He's got hair like down to his shoulders.
How long y'all been together?
We've been together for 3-4 years.
Y'all have kids together?
We have 1 daughter.
You said you don't need EMS?
No, I don't need
Okay.
it.
Radio 121.
No, you're not sorry for nothing.
And y'all cleared the house? Good.
I mean, yeah, we can go back again to double check. I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not
let's run another search just to make sure.
Like 10 kittens.
Is there dead ones around?
No, but
Because there's like some death smelling over
I
here.
know. I told him to take care of him, and there's already 3 missing. I don't know if he killed them or what.
I got straight forward. Police. I'm wondering why all these are nailed shut. Yeah, a lot of these doors are nailed shut. We really can't do nothing with it.
Do you have a gun or anything? Any kind of weapons?
A
knife?
He always has either an axe or a machete. He cut my hair with a machete.
When did you do that?
The 3 nights ago, that's why I left him in the first place. It was all the way down here.
Should I take a picture of Yeah, on the floor or whatever. It shows what she
chained up right here.
Yeah, that's the chain right there.
Yeah.
Or that's where it was connected to.
Did she rip herself off of it, or did
No,
come in?
we had to hit it with this axe.
Dang.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the window she broke out. Yeah.
Good for her. It makes you wonder, like downstairs though. Hopefully no one else is in here. Did you want a water? Yeah, I'll be right back, okay? So the only rooms we couldn't clear is he has a room upstairs, a door nailed shut. He's got a basement door nailed shut, and he's got a back room door nailed shut also.
Why he had all these rooms nailed shut?
No tattoos on his face, but he's got one. It's a Scorpio right here.
Yeah, she's doing okay. We can go ahead and leave everything like it is. It's a crime scene right now. So
What do you mean it's a crime scene?
But do you live here?
No, I live at the corner.
I mean,
no, she's been staying with me. She stayed with me last night.
She's fine. Do you know what the mail looks like?
Mexican.
Long hair.
Long hair.
Is it clean cut or is it just long?
I really don't look at him too hard
you're good.
because I think he's ugly.
Oh, okay, you're fine.
Be careful because he's got a brand new machete. He always carries a machete, but I don't know if it's here.
Did he hit you or anything? Is he?
He smacked me in my face.
And you've been here for, you said,
3 years.
yeah, but you said you left.
Yeah, I left a couple days ago when he cut my hair off.
When did you come back?
I come back because I seen him riding today.
Today? You came back today?
Yeah, I seen him riding his bike and he stopped me. He was like, will you please just come clean up the room and I'll pay you. I was like, okay, but I don't want to fight.
Okay.
He was like, I promise I'm not going to hurt you. I said, okay. As soon as I came in, he smacked me. He locked the door with the key and I knew as soon as he locked the door with the key that he wasn't going to let me go.
Okay. This second story window right here.
Okay, so it was open and she was just...
Yeah, she was able to get close enough to the window and push the glass out. And she was hollering for help. And this lady, I think, that's getting out of this Kia, yeah, actually the little girl heard her hollering. Okay. She's like, Granny, that lady's yelling for help. She got a chain around her neck. She's actually the one that called 911.
I guess they live there?
Yeah, they live right there. But I got her name and phone number.
Okay.
After 2 days of round-the-clock covert surveillance, detectives radio to patrol officers that the suspect has returned to the house. That's when patrol officers pull up to the location and find a red truck with 2 men inside, with one of them matching the description of the suspect.
What's your location?
Hold on.
You get my location? Yeah.
Stop. Let me talk to you, man.
Grab the other guy, too.
Hey, put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head, boss.
We just talk with them.
All right, stand by.
We have to go Monday.
Stop.
What are y'all doing?
You're just being detained right now.
Detained for what?
You're just being detained, all right? You're not under arrest. Any weapons on you, boss?
We just talk. We go Monday.
219, 1541.
All right, that's fine, man. Just hang out, all right?
Okay.
Sit on my car.
Okay. Was it your doctor today, sir?
Is it me that you talked to?
Yeah.
I'm going to say no. Is that okay?
He gave me his card and I go look for him and talk to him and tell him to turn himself in. And he called him and talked to him. And he promised to go Monday to turn himself in. So what is all this harassment for?
It's not harassment. It's called doing our job. You're being detained right now, and as soon as this is all figured out, if you're not in any kind of trouble, the handcuffs will be taken off. You're not being harassed.
Okay, but that's not nice. I don't like it.
Sit down on the hood of the car.
Okay, hold on.
All right, who is that?
Jonah.
Who's Jonah?
The girl that was held hostage.
Okay. Hey, Jonah, how are you? This is Officer Clinton.
You're not on speaker, baby, so you gotta hold it.
Jonah, can you describe the suspect for me real quick? All right, is he Hispanic?
Yeah, that's him.
That's the suspect?
That's him. I know him.
All right, we'll give you a call here shortly, Jonah.
That's him.
All right, boss. What's your last name?
Moses May.
Your first name is Moses? Moses. Spell that.
M-O-E-S-E-S.
M-O-E-S-E-S?
No. I mean.
It's just you and your girlfriend that live there?
Yes, you know what? You can
Is your girlfriend in there?
No, what she the drama thing.
Drama thing? What do you mean?
Like for the changing thing, but that was not really happening. Just because she not get what she want for money. This is
You're saying that what she's telling the police.
Yeah, it's not
drama.
Yeah, it's drama. Yeah, it's not for real what happened.
Hey, free to go with this dude? All right.
Free to go.
And that brings us to the end of today's encounter. Situations like this show just how quickly things can escalate during police interactions. What do you think about what happened? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to mention where you're watching from. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next intense police encounter. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.